Hello students, wish you all very good morning. I am your math teacher Eskiram. Welcome you all back to the another session of maths online classes. Students, today in this session we will discuss about SSS criterion, whereas we have studied in previous session about construction, how to draw a parallel line with the help of point. Okay, students, and as well as compass and pencils. Students, construction, it means completely you have to sketching and drawing, constructing with the help of pencils, compass and as well as ruler. Okay. So, but maximum works we have to do by the help of pencil and compass. So, students, today we will increase one more step in the field of construction. How to construct our triangles. Okay. So, how to construct a triangles with the help of compass as well as pencils. See, what the construction is given is SS criterion. It means, I think you are knowing very well, side, side, side. It means in this triangle you have to form all three sides with the help of compass. Yes, students, in construction it's very important to have a compass as well as pencil. So see, construction of a triangle when the lengths of three sides are given. It means when all three sides are given of a triangle, then how will you construct a triangle with the help of compass? See, let's construct a triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 5 cm, BC is equal to 6.5 cm, and CA is equal to 7.3 cm. Students, these all measurements of a triangle is given that now we have to construct. Let's see how. Number first, construction. Draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC, mark the given dimension. Students, whenever you will construct a triangle, before construction, what you should do? That you should do a sketching. Okay? That first of all you do a sketch, roughly a sketch. What? Roughly a sketch, and find out what type of figures will be formed. So that in later on it will be easy for you to construct. It will help you where you are missing. Okay? Let's see. Draw a rough sketch a triangle ABC, mark a given dimension ABC. Okay, students, A, B, C are there. In which of them AB is equal to 5.2 cm, BC is equal to 6.5 cm, BC is equal to 6.5 cm. Then after CA is equal to 7.3 cm. It means this side is greater, this side is, then after this side is a smallest. Okay, students. So your diagram of a triangle may be construct like this. Okay, are you getting my friends? Now we will know about a step by step with the help of compass as well as ruler and pencil. Okay, students, this is number first. Draw a line segment BC measuring 6.5 cm. Students, draw a line segment BC measuring 5 cm. Okay, students. Now we have to construct a line. We have to draw a line with the help of ruler, whose name is that BC 6.5 cm. Okay, students, 6.5 centimeters. Let's see. Draw an arc of radius 5.2 cm taking B. Draw an arc of radius 5.2 cm taking B as a center. Now, on this B point, you have to consider as a center. You have to consider as a center and just open your compass. Okay, open your compass. Keep it on a ruler. Okay, and measure that. Open it. It means pencil as well compass needle. Open it till 5.2 cm. How much? 5.2 cm. It means between the pencil as well as the compass needle, this area will be 5.2 cm. Okay, students. It is your point. It is your pointer of that one compass. Now downside it is needles, and this side your pencil. Okay, students. So between pencil and between needle, what the space will be there? 5.2 cm. Okay, that measuring with the help of ruler, and 5.2 cm now it open. What you have to do? Just keep the pointer of a compass on B. Why? Because we are considering B as the center. And after keeping on B, what will happen? Draw an arc at 5.2 cm. It means from you will keep your pointer here and you will make an arc. It means draw an arc. How much? 5.2 cm. What will be there? Here will come. Okay. See, next one. Draw another arc 7.3 centimeter, taking C as the center. Now, what you have to do? Taking C as the center, and you have to draw 7.3 centimeter arc. It means what? The pointer and the pencil open 5.2 centimeter. That will increase to 7.3 centimeter. And consider C as the center. It means now you will change your needle from B to C and keep your needle of the compass on C and make an arc of here. Are you getting my point, students? What will happen? That 7.3 centimeter arc will cut on this point. Okay. So what say cutting the previous arc at A? Are you getting my points? Now what the previous arc was there? It was A. Let's see. Join AB and AC. It means now we will draw the line AB and this is AC. Okay, students, it was there 5.3 centimeter, 5.2 centimeter, and it was 7.3 centimeter. So, students, ABC is the required triangle. Now we will found that your triangle is formed. Okay, students, how we have to do? Have you understood? It means on the same basis, what are questions given in your exercises? Okay, in the given in your exercise, that just you think before doing, before solving, read the questions carefully 2 to 3 times. Okay, consider these all concepts, and 100% I damn sure that you will able to do. Why? Because what chapters were completed in the geometry. Lines and angles, congruency, triangles, these all things already we have studied. So, by the applying of these all process as well as concepts, that completely you will able to draw and you will able to construct a triangle with the help of compass too. So, what you will have to do, you have understood? Here is the method of compass, ruler, pencil, and eraser. Okay. In this SSS to construct a triangle, which is SSS criteria, that ruler is very important. Compass is very important and pencil is very important. Just measurement, keep your pointer and pencils and measure on the ruler the distance and open it as per given. Okay. Then after consider any point at the center and then after construct an arc. After construction of arc, just join the side. It will help you to construct a triangle. Okay, students. So next in the next questions, in the next pattern we will see about SAS, where side angle side will be formed. Okay, students. Okay, students. See, second topic is that SAS criterion. What is SAS criterion? SAS criterion, it means side angle side. So let's say construct a triangle with lengths of two of its sides and included angles are given. It means already in previous session it was discussed whenever we have studied about the triangles. In triangles there are 4 congruency, and in where we have studied about SSS, SAS, ASA, RHS, we all have studied such types of property. So we came to know that with the help of SAS criterion we can draw a triangle. But how to draw a triangle? Here we will construct a triangle with the help of compass as well as ruler and pencils. Okay, students. So see, construct a triangle when lengths of two of its sides. It means here two sides is given and included angles are also given. So here how will you solve? With the help of compass, ruler and pencil. Let's see. So students, draw a line segment. So in previous video what we have did in SSS criteria, we have drawn a sketch. So by the sketching you will get idea how such types of triangle will be formed. होगा क्या बेटा, जैसे आप स्केच कर लोगे, ग्राफ स्केच कर लोगे आप, तो इससे क्लैरिटी हो जाएगा कि आपका ट्रायंगल किस तरीके का फॉर्म करेगा. ठीक है, तो इस क्वेश्चन में हम क्या करेंगे, एक रफ स्केच कर लेंगे जिससे हमें आइडिया हो जाएगा कि हमारा ट्रायंगल कैसा दिखेगा. ठीक है, सो देखिए अब हमने हमारा ट्रायंगल जो इस तरीके से दिखेगा. सो नाउ वी विल कंस्ट्रक्ट एज पर स्टेप्स. It means whenever you will get completion how to draw, then no need of to write the steps. जब आप समझ जाओगे तो ये steps लिखने की आवश्यकता आपको नहीं पड़ेगी. ठीक है, सिर्फ आप क्वेश्चंस पढ़ोगे और अपना सॉल्व करोगे. So let's say draw a line segment AB is equal to 5.1 centimeter. It means now you have to keep a ruler on the plain paper and you have to draw a line AB whose measurement is 5.1 centimeter. Okay students, let's see as a sketching is given. Say construct a triangle BAX. Students, angle BAX. It means it is B it is A and X will form. It means X will there form when 60 degree angle will be drawn. So to make a angle of 60 degree, what you have to do? Simple. You have to consider B as a center. B as a center. What the angles will be given in center? Always be careful that will be your center of the triangles. Okay, where you are forming, where you are drawing and constructing an angle. Okay, students. So in the middle section, which number is given? Which name is given? A. So on consider B as a center, and you have to draw center. It will now you will put your pointer of a compass here, and just little bit open your compass and pencil. Okay, little bit. So and now you will draw a half circle. What half circle? Not like this. Little bit a half circle like this. Okay, students. As you will draw half circle on this line, what will happen? Now you have to consider this point as a center. So just you remove your pointer from here and keep your pointer here. Which pointer? Compass pointer. So keep here and now divide it. It means 2 arc. Make 2 arc. Okay. After drawing the 2 arc, what it will be done? As we know that a circle completes a 360 degree angle. Okay. So now half of circle, it means 180 degree will form completely. So whenever you will divide it, it will form 60 degree in 3 parts. Okay. So now this angle will form a 60 degree. Are you getting my point, students? This arc will form 60 degree. So 60 degree it means 90 degree, and 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. So what's our given circle is given? See, angle BAX is equal to 60 degree. It is angle is given, angle BAX is equal to 60 degree. So draw an arc of radius 4.8 centimeter, taking A as center, which AX at C. What we have to do? It will increase as AX. Okay, students, and we will mark here what 60 degree. So 60 degree marked here. Now it is X. Consider it is X because next is angle BAX is given. So BAX. Understood? It makes 60 degree angle. Now what we have to do? Draw an arc of radius 4.8 centimeter. 4.8 centimeter. So you will have to again A consider as a center. So A as a center which cuts AX at C and which cuts AX. Okay बेटा? करना क्या है? आपको A को फिर से सेंटर कंसीडर करना है. उसके बाद 4.8 सेंटीमीटर का यहाँ पे आपको आर्क कट करना है. क्या करना है? आर्क कट करना है. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 4.8 सेंटीमीटर और इस आर्क का नाम देना है C. ओके, एट C ज्वाइन BC. अब क्या है? आपको D और C को ज्वाइन करना है. इसको ज्वाइन कर दीजिए. नाउ व्हाट विल कम टू नो दैट ABC is the required triangle. Now you can see ABC is the required triangle. We need angle. We need side AB is equal to 5.1 centimeter. Already 5.1 centimeter means we need 4.8 centimeter AC on X. So on X we have drawn 4.8 centimeter, and also we need BAX is equal to 60 degree. We have drawn 60 degree. Okay, students. So always be careful. Sum of a circle, it is sum of angle of a circle is equal to always 360 degree. What? 360 degree. So half of circle, just divide it, font it will be 180 degree. So whenever this 180 degree, it means we can say a straight line always forms a 180 degree angle. Okay, when this straight lines divides in 3 parts, then 3 parts, it means that will be divided in equal part. So it will form 60 degrees. So 3 is equal to 60 degrees. So we can say that this portion, this partition is forming 60 degree angle. Then after it's formed angle BAX. Okay, students, this is all about how to draw on the basis of SAS criterion. Okay, students. So I think and I hope that all of you are fine and you have understood. And as an exercise, as a question, you have to do exercises questions. What the questions are given on the basis of SSS and SAS. And if you do the practice by yourself, I 100% damn sure that you will complete that ASA criterion as well as RHS criterion too by yourself. But doesn't matter, you have understood by yourself or not understood, but I will discuss in the next session, next video. That's all. Thank you.